Marinina P. Barrientos, declare under oath that I am exclusively enrolled at FTRC and that I am not currently nor have I ever been enrolled in any other review centers, whether it be online or face-to-face. I fully understand and agree that any violation of this declaration will result in my immediate expulsion from FTRC without a refund. Additionally, I grant FTRC the right to publish this signed declaration along with a video of me making this declaration on its official Facebook page or any other platform. If I breach this agreement by signing, I also waive any rights under the Data Privacy Act of 2012 or any other legal protection that might prevent FTRC from publishing this declaration in the event of my violation. I confirm that I fully understand the content and consequences of this declaration. I also state that I am signing it willingly and without being forced or pressured by anyone.